Hi, I'm Joy Michelle and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from the Allure Beauty Box for June 2021. Let's see what's inside. First thing I see in here is the lovely little brochure that always comes with the Allure Beauty Box. And it mentions that there's a lot to unpack. That's interesting. Why do I feel like I'm having a sense of deja vu? Beautiful face, right? Such joy. All right, so let's see what we have in here. Maybe I won't go in any particular order. What is this? This is from Oribe, and this is the Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax. Really? Spray? I'm looking in this catalog and see what it says inside. Okay. So the retail price for the full size, this is the, I guess, deluxe sample size. The full size would be $42 US, and you can go to their website for that. But yeah, it's called the Oribe Flash Form Finishing Spray Wax. So I guess this is to help, almost like a pomade, put your hair in place. It's not a hairspray, but a foam. So I guess it would be like a mousse. Let's see. Do I have to twist it or something? Oh, okay. Oh, the smell is nice. I thought it was going to be a foam, but it doesn't feel like a foam exactly. But then I didn't spray it very enthusiastic. Oh, but I like you see the design on that cup? Yeah. Okay. But as I touch it here, it feels kind of, I don't want to say gooey, but it almost feels like it has like a pomade feel in a spray. So what I worry about this is that this might get clogged. So you may have to, futz with it from time to time. Oh, but the smell is lovely. And it does feel almost like a pomade. That stuff that, it was almost like a balm that's usually in a little tin or something. And then, work it through your hair and make it, stand on it and make it look all cute. I've never used pomade. I'm just giving a generalized description. I'm sure someone who uses pomade religiously can give a much more nuanced or detailed version. I think guys tend to use pomades more than women. I'm not sure. Usually for their hair to make it like voluminous and stuff. I'm curious. I would try it. Okay. What's the next thing I have in here? It's from Skin&Co. Whipped Cleansing Cream. Lately I've been noticing there seems to be a trend on cleansing creams. Not all out foaming cleansers. So this would be interesting to try. Is this made in Italy? This looks full size because it reads 100 ml, which is 3.38 fluid ounces. And for some reason, when it comes to like more pricier things, they tend to come in much smaller sizes, but at the same time, much bigger than deluxe samples. So let me see what the cost of this Skin&Co goes for. Okay, the Skin&Co goes for $35. Okay, that's not too bad. And you can go to the Skin&Co website for more information on this. But they say this is good for sensitive skin as well. Okay. And it's creamy and moisturizing, so I'm assuming that this is to help. Let's see. Whipped Polishing Cleansing Cream with Truffle Extract. So it sounds very riche and very luxurious. So I will try it. I'm on to skincare and hair care, so any bit that I can try out that might work, I am all in. I'm there for packaging here. How pretty. And I am not going to pronounce this because I do not trust myself in getting it right. I tend to botch things. But this is an $18.99 single essence. This is a soothing treatment to help the sensitivity due to stress and insomnia. I guess it's to, calm the skin down a bit. What does this do? This has to be a sample size, or could it be? I'm not sure. But apparently for 70 ml, the price tag for it would be $54.99. So this is a K-Beauty favorite and Allure Korea Best of Beauty Award winner. This essence made with anti-inflammatory red ginseng extract. Oh, okay, here we go. Not only hydrates tired skin, but coddles it when it needs soothing the most. So some people use it as a prep step as well before putting on their makeup. Never heard of the brand, but K-Beauty is very hot nowadays. This is the sample bottle. I'm loving the packaging because red tends to be one of my favorite colors anyway. And it has a small, like almost bottleneck. Do I smell anything of interest? Let's see. I'm loving that skincare, definitely. I don't really, it doesn't have a big scent. So that's nice for those of us who are sensitive to scents. This might be something to try out. It goes on clear. It absorbs the skin fairly fast. Yeah, I'm not, okay, I'm gonna use it in my prep stuff, I guess, moving forward. That price tag though for 70 ml, $54.99. Little steep. What's this? Okay, let's see what this is about. I think these are brushes. Oh, I love a makeup tool. Love makeup tools. Laruce or Laruce 3-piece brush set. Oh my goodness. These makeup brushes are all about the finer details that take a look from amateur to professional. These seem like eye brushes. Are they? Flat concealer brush is in here. Carefully lays down pigment to disguise a pimple that just popped up. The squat dense bristles on the short shadow brush are perfect for adding a bit of sparkle or vibrant color to the inner corners of the eye. Okay, the last magic wand is also the fluffiest and most versatile, the angled shading brush. So for these three, the price tag, would you believe it? $84 US. All right, never heard of the brand, but hey, this is what they look like in case you were curious. At first I was like, are those e.l.f. brushes? But never heard of this brand. If you have, let me know in the comments below. That's a pretty high price tag for 3 brushes, $84. Okay, I'm sure they do what they're supposed to do. And I like that it's sealed like this. It has a little seal in there, like an envelope. Very cute. I wonder if I'm paying for the packaging though. Hopefully the performance of these brushes are quite good. Ooh, what is this? Wow, look at this, guys and gals. This is the Tea Tree Relief. What company is this? Lapco's. There it is down there. And this is the Lapco's Tea Tree Sheet Mask. Ooh. It's $4 for one of these. I have a ton of masks and I really need to start indulging and using these more. This reads cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. Love, love, love that it does that. It gives you the directions on the back. And tea tree, can't go wrong with tea tree. Natural antiseptic and it smells good. Okay, I have, I think, one more thing in this box from a company called ESPA. What do they do? I wonder. We will find out. ESPA is a clarifying clay mineral mask. Yay, I love this. Okay, so if your skin is feeling a little extra blotchy, this is to come to your rescue. If you have some redness, missing some moisturization on your face, your forehead, your nose, this is supposed to brighten up the skin as well as get rid of the blotchiness. The full size of this, it doesn't say, but the full size of this would be how much? $34 US. And you can buy it from their website. And I'll post it here. All right. A mask, you know, I gotta love that. Clarifying clay. Oh, and it seals, so that's good. It does have a scent. I'm just gonna it up here just a little bit, just to give you a general idea, because I want to save this to try out on my face. It's very thick. It does feel like a clay texture. And I'm just gonna, oh yeah. This also has a bit of a flowery scent to it. I like though. Yeah. Yeah, it's another rustic scent. That's the best way I can describe it. But overall, I am so thrilled with what I got from my June Allure 2021 box. Are you a subscriber to the Allure Beauty box? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to dive into all of these skin and makeup tool goodies that I got. I'm so happy. And let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't tried the Allure Beauty box yet, what are you waiting for? Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, along with the notification bell, so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching my video today. And again, if you're not subscribed, please do. And if you're not still thinking about it, I totally understand. But it would really be awesome if you hit that like button and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.